Is your field service business drowning in paperwork orders? Lost forms, missing signatures, and delayed invoices are costing you time and money. Manual processes lead to angry clients and missed opportunities. But there's a better way to manage your jobs. Meet FieldSign.io, the mobile-first platform that replaces your paper with a clean, digital workflow. Admins can create and assign work orders in seconds. Your technicians receive everything instantly, right on their phones. No app downloads required. Your team works directly from their mobile browser, seeing exactly what needs to be done. Capture job details on the spot. It's fast, accurate, and eliminates the risk of lost information. Get client approval immediately with e-signatures captured right on site. No more chasing down signatures later. FieldSign generates a professional PDF report and sends it to your client automatically. From job done to invoice ready in minutes. With real-time job tracking and a 14-day free trial, it's never been easier to go paperless. From work order to signed report. In minutes. Start your free trial at FieldSign.io today.